Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about the claim settlement procedure of the fire insurance company. Now the claim settlement procedure has been divided into the 7 steps. These are notice of the fire, then presentation of claim, presentation of necessary documents, action by the insurance company, survey and loss assessment, settlement of claim and the payment finally. Now let's starting upon with the first step, notice of the fire. Immediately after the occurrence of fire, the notice of fire is given to the insurance company in written, obviously in the written mode. This is necessary for the insurance company to make preliminary investigation, and delay in giving the notice of fire may severely affect the interest of the policyholder. Presentation of claim. The insured must present the claim to the insurer in a prescribed claim form, within 15 days from the date of fire with the following information. Now, what information you have to assign? First one is the complete details of the losses, giving the date, time and place where the incident took place. Second is the causes of the loss. Third is details of damaged property, value of the property at the time of fire, value of the salvage and the claim amount. Next one is the subject matter of the insurance and the loss to every component. And the last is full details of the other policies insured against the same subject matter. Next step is the presentation of necessary documents. Now, what kind of documents or evidences that you have to enclose with the claim? Now, the list of the documents are divided into the 3 parts. Now, read the list of the documents. First one is a declaration. A declaration in which you have to give the declaration, or you have to declare about the claim and about the related facts and figures. Second one is the evidence of all details, books, records, statutory books, plans, vouchers, document, certificates and other information that give the proof of loss by fire and that create the liability on the insurer. Any other necessary document, witness, certificate, etc. that is required under the condition of fire insurance policy also need to be enclosed with the claim form. In case these documents could not be presented together with the claim, they may be sent within 6 months, failing which the insurer can reject the claim. Next is action by insurance company. On receipt of claim, the Office of Insurance Company follows a certain procedure. The company may issue the receipt claim. The claim department undertakes the thorough scrutiny of the claim on the basis of documents and witnesses present. Obviously, a department has assigned the work of doing all the works related to the claim, so the name claim department has been given. So claim department finally undertakes the thorough scrutiny of all the claims that you have made on the basis of the documents that you have submitted. After that, a claim ticket is prepared and entered it in the claim intimation register. A claim intimation register is maintained by the company for having the proper record of the claim intimated to all the persons. Finally, the claim file is prepared with the claim number. Next one is the survey and the loss assessment. Obviously, now the next step is regarding the survey of the property where the incident has taken place. So, on the receipt of the notice of information and claim from the insurer arranges to undertake the survey of the lost property, but with the help of experts, with the help of surveyors, with the help of loss assessors. These surveys conducted by visiting the spot where the incident has taken place and where the fire has taken place. Now, under the conditions of fire insurance, it is the duty of insured to extend all the necessary assistance and cooperation to the surveyors and assessors. Now, survey and assessment of, while having the survey and assessment of loss, the surveyor's report, usually prepared by the surveyor, The report usually contains the following information: the causes of the loss occurred, the approximate cause of the fire, assessment of loss, indirect loss or expenses to insure, details of expenses made towards the assessment of the loss. Next one is the settlement of claim. When the report is received from the surveyors and the assessors of the loss, the insurance company takes the further steps to settle the claims. The company studies the reports and the claim received from the insured thoroughly. When the claim money charged by the insured and that calculated by the assessors do not make any difference, it means there is not much difference between the claim charged and the assessor's report. So then in that case the company takes the decision to make the immediate payment. And when there is a sufficient difference in the claim a company wants to take and the original claim money calculated by the assessor, so in that case obviously a delay is there and they have to wait for some time. And finally, where the claim is finalized, the last step is for the payment, and the payment is made by a cross check to the insurers. Hope you all have thoroughly listened about all the videos and understand about the concept of the claim or the fire insurance. Thank you.